Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English with animation. Let's get started.
I love shopping at the vegetable market. I love shopping at the vegetable market.
I buy fresh spinach at the market. I buy fresh spinach at the market.
Can I have 4 carrots, please? Can I have 4 carrots, please?
I check if the tomatoes are ripe. I check if the tomatoes are ripe.
I buy 1 kilogram of potatoes. I buy 1 kilogram of potatoes.
I pick the longest and freshest cucumber. I pick the longest and freshest cucumber.
The fresh mint smells wonderful today. The fresh mint smells wonderful today.
The seller weighs my vegetables on the scale. The seller weighs my vegetables on the scale.
I pay the seller and say thank you. I pay the seller and say thank you.
My basket is full of fresh vegetables. My basket is full of fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.